Just a quick 7-minute power nap. And this voracious little terror is at large again.
His nose. Blowing out little bubbles, he picks up tiny scent particles in the water. It's an elaborate game of hide and seek. On his endless search for food, the shrew hunts both underwater and on land. A goo-slinging gecko. The liquid is harmless, but so sticky and smelly, it's enough to repel even the deadliest hunter.
If prey can freeze, it stands a fighting chance. When the gecko tries to flee, it's back on the coral snake's radar. Detaching its tail to distract the snake doesn't work. One neurotoxic bite, and it's game over for the gecko. This cobra relative usually emerges after dark.
The cat watches her hard-earned dinner tumble 30 meters down the steep mountain slope. Takes every last ounce of her energy.
The biggest threat to the youngsters comes from the air. Golden eagles like preying on the young chamois. As soon as the eagle has set off, the warning cries begin. The sun now sets earlier behind Krivan Mountain.
Sometimes one mouth simply isn't enough. One will have to do. Not all food is stored. Some is needed right now. He lives and sleeps amongst his prey. Nonetheless, some bravely try to do so.